Here's the answer for day 4, problem 1. Evaluate the 6 trig functions for the real number t equals pi over 4 radians. The first thing we do is we're going to list those 6 trig functions. Next step, let's find pi over 4 on the unit circle and see what ordered pair is associated with that angle. That ordered pair is the square root of 2 over 2, comma, the square root of 2 over 2. This is the x-coordinate of that point, and this is the y-coordinate of the point. The cosine of an angle on the unit circle is the x-coordinate of that point. The answer is the square root of 2 over 2. Sine is the y value, and that's the square root of 2 over 2. Tangent is sine divided by cosine. When we divide those two previous numbers, we get the answer 1. Okay, now come our reciprocal functions. 2 over the square root of 2 is what you get when you flip cosine upside down. Now let's rationalize that. Multiply top and bottom by the radical. This makes 2 square root of 2 in the top, and in the bottom, 2. Now cross cancel the 2's, and we get the square root of 2 left over. The same thing's going to happen when we figure out cosecant. We'll get square root of 2. Now cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. When you flip a 1 upside down, you still get the answer 1. Now day 4, problem 2. Find the following sum. Our formula for each term is to go 10 minus k, and we're going to substitute numbers in for k to indicate what term in a sequence we're figuring out. When we want to find the first term of the sequence, we put in 1 for k. We find out that that answer is 9. When we want to find the second term of a sequence, we put in 2 for k. That answer is 8. When we want to find the third term of the sequence, we put in 3 for k. That answer is 7. Do you see the pattern here? We're going to figure out the sum of 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. We're finding the sum of these 5 numbers. This adds up to 35.